Hey guys, Hunter here with Injected Motorsports. We're going to be doing a Tough Country Evolution product overview. This bumper is on a 11 through 16 Ford F-250 350. And we'll go from the features and why we like this bumper over the Ranch Hand and others, and we'll go from there. Thanks. All right, so here we'll dive into it. This is, like I said, the Evolution. This is the fancier custom cutouts, winch ready bumper. The traditional style is more like you see from Ranch Hand, the Legend series. They're very comparable. We do like Tough Countries a little bit better. One of the reasons is it's a 10 to 11 gauge steel. I know Ranch Hand and some others are not. Another selling point is it is actually prime steel before it goes to powder coat, so that lasts longer. It is a family-owned company. Tough Country is. They're out of Campo Texas. Ranch Hand is actually not family-owned. And just to be clear, we bought this bumper. We are not a salesperson by any means for Tough Country. We were just giving a product review, how we like it on our trucks and our customers' trucks. So it does have the winch cutouts here. So not the winch, the tow hook, sorry. Winch will go in here. We haven't put ours in yet. 4-inch round hole for fogs. You can use square, either one. We mounted our Firewire LED light bar to it. It does have a hole for all your input outputs for your winch. When you get ready, you can actually put fogs in here or other lights too if you want. This is a very thick bumper. Logo there. Very well made design. This one is sitting a little bit towards the front, but we did not get it. I need to push it up just a hair on the back, so I need to loosen the bolts. There you can see here the bolt configuration. 3 main bolts. Then your plate will sit on that for your tow hooks. You can actually take an aftermarket too. Just depends on what you want to do. Like I said, you can use factory fogs. That is the factory fog mount if you want to use those. And I'll take you underneath to show you some more stuff. So here we are underneath. It's the driver's side. You see here, you'll actually put the bracket on, set the bumper on it, bolt it down. You'll have 3, 2 on the sides, 3 up top for the bracket, and then 2 more to hold the front side of the bracket on. As you can see it here. It's a very strong, very nice setup. There's your winch brackets. Another reason why I like Tough Country, of course, since it's family owned and Texas based, they actually do get almost all of their steel out of Dallas, the Black Steel company up there. That's what they use. And I know other manufacturers do not. Another, you can see the winch plate here, bolt holes for that. You won't reuse your factory bolt holes. Pretty much there's the mount and everything. Installs a couple hours. It helps with a forklift, or if you have a certain setup that you like, or maybe 2 or 3 people. It's a very heavy bumper, probably 300 pounds after it's all said and done. And yeah. All right, guys, so to sum it up, that's kind of why we like the Tough Country brand. You know, being in the business for last, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 years, whatever it's been, owning and running the shops, you like to see sales reps, and I can say I've never seen a Ranch Hand our other bumper manufacturer sales rep out here. Sorry guys, had some deliveries coming in for some parts today. But yeah, back to saying I've never seen sales reps. Tough Country has some great sales reps. They're there to help answer all your questions every time I call. Or even text messages. He's right there. Have a good relationship with them and all that. But yeah, so that's why we go with Tough Country now exclusively. Like I said, nothing against Ranch Hand. The other bumpers, they're good bumpers. I mean, this is as far as just your standard bumper, especially the oil field fleets, all those. I would run these. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with the other brands. They're good brands, but those things that I mentioned, they just, for me, that's the biggest selling point. Is just being here, showing your product off, offering support, and honestly, just keeping it Texas based. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to message us, call us. Like I said, if you have any fleets around here, or in Texas anywhere, give us a call. We'll take care of your fleets, put all these bumpers on. We offer special pricing for fleets, obviously. Like I said, these are pretty much comparable to Ranch Hand in terms of price. Actually, I think they're a little cheaper. Anyways, yeah, just give us a call and let us know what you think. Thank you.